What I am about to show you will change your plans for the next 10 days. Some of you will need to cancel travel. Some will need to stock up on supplies today. And some will need to prepare for the biggest snowstorm you have seen in years. Drop your city in the comments right now, because I cannot tell you which category you fall into until I know where you are. Comments are rolling in. Minneapolis, Tampa, Phoenix, Buffalo, Denver. Keep them coming. Let me start with something nobody is talking about, but everyone needs to know. By February 21st, 1 week from today, the Sierra Nevada mountains in California will have received up to 20 feet of snow. 20 feet! That is not a typo. Some ski resorts could measure snow in stories, not inches. This is the kind of snow event that happens maybe once every 5 years. But while California gets buried in snow, Florida will be enjoying temperatures in the upper 70s. The East Coast will see a 40-degree temperature swing in 24 hours, and the Midwest will deal with blizzard conditions that shut down entire cities. This is not normal weather. This is a pattern that meteorologists study in textbooks. 3 distinct storms, different impacts for different regions. Let me tell you exactly what you need to know for your specific location. First, let me knock out the easy forecasts. If you are in Florida, you are golden. Miami, Tampa, Orlando, Jacksonville, Pensacola. Your forecast for the next week is simple. Sunny to partly cloudy. Temperatures in the 70s, maybe a few showers Wednesday, but nothing significant. You folks can relax. Phoenix, Tucson, Las Vegas, San Diego. Same deal. Sunny and pleasant. No storm impacts. Enjoy it while the rest of the country deals with extreme weather. Now, for everyone else, pay very close attention because things get complicated fast. West Coast, your storm starts this Saturday morning. And I am not talking about a little rain shower. I am talking about an atmospheric river, a fire hose of moisture from the Pacific Ocean aimed directly at the coast. Seattle, when you wake up Saturday morning, rain will already be falling. By Saturday afternoon, winds will be howling. Gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Trees will come down. Power will go out. This is not a maybe. This will happen. Plan for it right now. Portland, same story. Saturday through Sunday, heavy rain. Your rainfall total for the weekend could reach 4 to 6 inches. The Willamette River will rise. Low-lying areas could flood. If you live near any creek or stream, monitor water levels closely. But here is where it gets crazy. Drive 2 hours east of Portland into the Cascades, and instead of rain, you are getting 3 to 4 feet of snow. Government camp area, Mount Hood Meadows, all buried. By Monday morning, snowpack at higher elevations could increase by 4 to 5 feet. This is huge for the ski season, but travel will be impossible. Interstate 84 through the Columbia River Gorge, expect closures. Highway 26 to Mount Hood, expect closures. Do not try to drive into the mountains this weekend unless you want to spend the night stuck in your car. San Francisco, your storm arrives Saturday evening, and it is going to be windy. I am talking about 60-mile-per-hour gusts on the coast. If you live in San Francisco proper, secure anything outside right now. Patio furniture, trash cans, decorations. It is all going to blow away if you do not secure it. Rain will be heavy Saturday night through Sunday morning. 2 to 4 inches in the city. North Bay areas like Santa Rosa and Napa could see 5 to 7 inches. Sacramento, you are the gateway to the Sierra. Your valley gets rain Sunday, 1 to 3 inches. But Interstate 80 east toward Tahoe, forget about it. That road will be closed multiple times this weekend. Donner Pass could see 5 to 7 feet of snow. Truckee, same thing. Tahoe City, South Lake Tahoe, all completely buried. And here is the thing. This is not a one-day event. Sunday, another storm. Monday, another. Tuesday, another. The pattern is locked in. By next Friday, cumulative totals along the California coast could reach 10 to 15 inches of rain. The mountains could see 15 to 20 feet of snow. This is a historic snow event shaping up. All right, let me shift to the center of the country because Wednesday is your day and you need to be ready right now. I am going to start in Texas because the severe weather threat Wednesday is very real. Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, Austin, Corpus Christi. Monday and Tuesday, you are going to love the weather. 70s. Sunny. Beautiful. But Wednesday, look out. By early afternoon, storms will be firing up. And these are not garden variety thunderstorms. We are talking about supercells, rotating storms that produce large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. Let me be very clear about the tornado threat. Wednesday afternoon and evening, from northeast Texas through Louisiana and into Arkansas, conditions will be favorable for tornadoes. Some could be strong, EF 2 or higher. This is not something to ignore. If you live in this region, have a plan. Know where you will shelter. Have a way to get warnings. Charge your phone. Have shoes by your bed in case storms hit at night. The timeline for severe weather is roughly between 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. Wednesday. Peak threat is probably 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. After 10 p.m., the line of storms pushes east and the severe threat decreases. But heavy rain continues. Flooding will be a major concern Wednesday night across the entire South. Now, behind that line of storms, cold air rushes in, and this is where the snow starts. Oklahoma City, you are right on the line. Wednesday afternoon, thunderstorms, some could be severe. But by Wednesday night, temperatures are going to crash. We are talking about going from 60 degrees at 5 p.m. to 32 degrees by midnight. That is a 28-degree drop in 7 hours. And when that happens, rain changes to snow. You could wake up Thursday morning to 2 to 4 inches of snow. Roads will be slick. Wichita, Kansas. Same setup. Storms Wednesday, snow Wednesday night, 2 to 4 inches. Now, as we go further north, the snow gets much heavier. Kansas City, both Missouri and Kansas sides. Rain Wednesday, heavy at times. Then Wednesday evening, as cold air arrives, rain changes to snow, and it could change very quickly. By midnight Wednesday, you could have heavy snow falling. By Thursday morning, 1 to 3 inches on the ground. St. Louis, you are marginal. Rain Wednesday, possibly heavy, 1 to 2 inches of rain. Wednesday night, temperatures drop. Rain could change to snow, but accumulation is questionable. Maybe 2 to 4 inches if everything comes together perfectly. But you might just see rain. It is that close. Springfield, Illinois, you get snow. Rain Wednesday changes to snow Wednesday night. 4 to 7 inches by Thursday morning. Chicago, I saved you for a reason. Because your forecast Wednesday night into Thursday is significant. Rain all day Wednesday, steady and sometimes heavy. Then Wednesday night around midnight it changes to snow. And not just any snow. Heavy snow. 3 to 6 inches by morning. But here is what makes it dangerous. Wind. Northeast winds gusting to 35 miles per hour. That creates blowing snow, reduced visibility, slick roads. Your Thursday morning commute is going to be a disaster. If you can work from home Thursday, do it. If you have to go out, leave early and drive slow. Milwaukee, you are north of Chicago, so you get more. Rain Wednesday afternoon. Snow Wednesday evening. Heavy overnight, 4 to 8 inches. Strong winds off Lake Michigan. Blizzard conditions are possible. This is a stay-home event for Milwaukee. Madison, between Chicago and Milwaukee. 4 to 7 inches of snow. Difficult travel Thursday. Minneapolis, I need you to listen very carefully. This is your big storm. Wednesday afternoon rain begins. By early evening it mixes with snow. By 8 p.m. it is all snow. And it is going to dump. By Thursday morning, 6 to 12 inches on the ground. But snow totals are not the story. Wind is the story. Sustained winds 25 to 35 miles per hour. Gusts to 50. That creates blizzard conditions, near zero visibility at times. Snow drifts across roads. Roads become impassable. This is dangerous. Do not travel Wednesday night into Thursday. I repeat, do not travel. This is a life-threatening situation if you get stranded. Des Moines, Iowa. Rain Wednesday. Snow Wednesday night. 4 to 8 inches. Strong winds Thursday make travel very difficult. Cedar Rapids, Iowa. 6 to 10 inches. This could be the jackpot location. Heavy snow overnight into Thursday morning. Strong winds. Blizzard conditions likely. Omaha, Nebraska. 4 to 7 inches. Very windy and cold Thursday. Detroit, Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Buffalo. You all see rain Wednesday. Then Wednesday night, it changes to snow. Amounts range from 2 to 8 inches depending on your exact location. Buffalo, you get extra from lake effect Thursday. Could add another 6 to 12 inches. Typical Buffalo, you could end up with well over a foot. Syracuse, Rochester, Albany. Rain changes to snow Wednesday night. 4 to 8 inches possible, especially in higher terrain areas. New York City, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Boston, you mostly see rain. Maybe some mixing or changing to snow Wednesday night, but not much accumulation. We are talking coating to an inch at most. This storm is not your big one, but stay tuned for next weekend. Which brings me to my final point. That potential third storm around February 22nd through 24th, early model data suggests this could be a major winter storm for the Great Lakes and Northeast. Possibly historic, but it is too far out to have specific details. What I can tell you is the pattern supports it. Cold air will be locked in place. Storm track is favorable. This is something to watch very closely over the next few days. So here is what you need to do right now. West Coast, prepare today. Stock up before Saturday morning. Expect power outages. Do not travel in the mountains this weekend. Midwest, Wednesday night into Thursday is your event. Finish any travel Wednesday by mid-afternoon. Plan to stay home Thursday if at all possible. Northeast, you are mostly spared from these first two storms, but watch closely for next weekend's potential blockbuster. Drop your city in the comments if I missed it. Let me know what you are most concerned about. Subscribe for tomorrow's update at 7 p.m. Eastern, where I will have refined forecasts and updated snow totals based on the latest model runs. Stay safe, everyone. Take care of each other. And remember, weather is powerful, but preparation is more powerful. Take action today. Do not wait until the last minute. See you tomorrow.